Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me and they have Corel 24 and they don't have the smoothing tool, and they do. And I've taken mine away. It's right here under the shape tool. So I'm going to show you three different things we can do. One, you can go right here to the plus sign at the bottom of your toolbox and go right here, and somehow they could have inadvertently unchecked this. So if we check it and then check off, there's your smoothing tool. But let's say that still didn't work. Shut Corel down. And when you start Corel, hold down the F8 key until it comes up with a prompt to set things back to default. And I almost guarantee that will work. The other alternative, and the reason I decided to just, instead of telling them this, make a video, we could go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands, and underneath, my computer always takes a while for this to work. Go to Show All Items and start typing in smoothing. And there's your, well, let's see which one it is. See that little icon right there? Is that icon right there? If you will hold down the Alt and the Control button and drag it off, let me get it. I'm holding down the Alt and the Control button and then say OK. That is your smoothing tool. But you can park it somewhere, so we can drag it holding down the Control and the Alt key. We can drag it up here and dock it right there, hopefully. There's your smoothing tool. Now we can right click and customize that and say toolbar item, caption to the right of image. There's your smoothing tool. So when you have well, let's make a kind of a jagged line, and instead of going here in case it doesn't work, there's your smoothing tool. There's your size. Let's make it like 2 inches, and you grab your smoothing tool, it will smooth that out. Now I'm going to back off that tool and I'm going to go right here, and now I have my smoothing tool. I might even keep it up there. I like it. Instead of having to go over here and click to the shape tool and then get to the smoothing tool, you can go right here. And the smoothing tool is one of the best tools they've ever come up with in the last 10 years. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching, or somebody in the future.